Many times I have seen these trolls, abusers, not only anti-Hindus, anti-Guru Hindus, both gang abusing my Bhava Darshans, Bhava Samadhi Darshans, left, right, center. Whether Kalabhairava Bhava Samadhi Darshan or Paramashiva Bhava Samadhi Darshan, Bhava Samadhi Darshans abusing left and right, every possible way. Making fun of the jewelries I am wearing or all that. They don't understand. Actually, they try to say, oh, see the luxurious life he is living and see the amount of gold he is wearing and all that. Hey, only 1 or 2 days it will look like a gold. First of all, I am not wearing gold. I am wearing Rudraksha. Because content is Rudraksha. Cover is only gold. I am wearing Rudraksha jewelry, not gold jewelry. For you, it looks like gold because you are obsessed with gold. I am obsessed with Rudraksha. That's all. Even if you measure the weight, I am wearing more Rudraksha than the gold weight. You measure whatever I am wearing, the Rudraksha weight and gold weight, surely the Rudraksha weight is more than the gold weight. So, I am clear, I am wearing Rudraksha jewelry. So, anyhow, only first day it will feel like gold, day in and day out. Wearing these heavy jewelries and continuously giving darshans is not a joke, understand? It is real, sincere, hard work. This is one of my tyaga to revive Sanatana Hindu Dharma's Kriyapada aspect. The Hinduism's one of the important aspect which need to be revived is Daivam Manushya Rupena. Hindus need to be given confidence about this great truth experientially. The cosmic beings land in Archavatara deities and can manifest through Nijavatara living incarnation. To give that experience to people day in and day out, I dedicate my life to wear the Tirumula Varka Vedam, the Shiva Vedam, representing those cosmic beings and manifesting them. Surely manifesting them is a bliss. Manifesting them is a bliss, no doubt. But wearing all those jewelries, some darshans, I wear more than 11 or 12 kg heavy dresses and jewels all put together and stand 2 or 3 hours giving darshan in Bhava Samadhi. And these heavy jewels, not only heavy, they always scratch and damage the skin, body in multiple ways. But that is part of the tyaga. Understand one thing. It is not luxury. It is tyaga. These trolls and abusers need to understand Bhava Samadhi darshans are tyaga, not luxury, not show. It's true manifestation of cosmic beings. That is why the power manifestations happen everywhere when you are initiated, when you are having Bhava Samadhi darshans. I tell you, manifesting the cosmic beings in Archavatara deities or Nijavatara living incarnations is the definitive science. Now, because of the grace of Paramashiva and protection of Mahakala Bhairava, the Kailasa has happened. I am safe. I have a place where I have complete religious freedom, where I can revive Hinduism, introduce and revive the authentic Hinduism to Hindus first. I understand when these anti-guru Hindus don't understand the absolute, complete, definitive sciences of Hinduism, they think all these sciences are fake, and they think these gurus who manifest these sciences are anti-Hindus, and they are really convinced that these gurus need to be eliminated to keep the Hinduism is alive. I am telling you, this is the most unfortunate thing. Actually, I don't hate this anti-Guru Hindus. I really don't hate these anti-Guru Hindus. I only feel, oh God, what a delusion and ignorance. The ignorance clubbed with arrogance and sometimes political power, media power, money power. These anti-Guru Hindus are more dangerous to Hinduism than the anti-Hindus themselves. Especially when they don't understand the principles, possibilities and definitive sciences of Hinduism, especially this Kriyapada principle. I tell you, actually, when you pour the mercury with the Pranapratishta mantras, it just becomes solid without any chemicals added, just with the power of the mantra that alchemy happens. I have proved it multiple times. In an organic, natural way, just by the power, the molecules of the mercury can be dismantled and assembled back as solid. From liquid level, it can be dismantled and assembled back as solid. The power of superconscious. Unfortunately, because this was not demonstrated or reproduced in large scale last few hundred years, common Hindus have started thinking all these are fake. Anti-Hindus started developing this narrative, all these are false superstitions, lies, cheating, charlatan, black magic, all those abusive words are thrown, and the anti-Hindu narratives are developed by anti-Hindus. And the anti-Guru Hindus have started getting brainwashed by anti-Hindus. Hindus brainwashed by anti-Hindus became anti-Guru Hindus. Understand? Hindus brainwashed by anti-Hindus became anti-Guru Hindus.